How to adjust display refresh rate 60Hz or 90Hz in Samsung M32. First of all, open the settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Scroll down and tap on display. Here you will see different options related to screen settings. Next, tap on Motion Smoothness. This is the option that controls your refresh rate. By default, it might be set to high, which uses 90Hz for smoother scrolling and animation. If you want to save battery or prefer a standard experience, select Standard, which sets it to 60Hz. On the other hand, for a more fluid experience, you can stick with high to enjoy 90Hz. After selecting your preferred option, tap on Apply to confirm the change. Your screen will now adjust to the refresh rate you selected, and you will immediately notice the difference in scrolling and animation. Keep in mind, using a higher refresh rate like 90Hz may result in slightly faster battery drain compared to 60Hz. And that's it. Now you know how to adjust display refresh rate 60Hz or 90Hz in Samsung M32. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.